Narrated by Ummul Mumineen, Juwairiya radiallahu anha. Once Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out from her apartment in the morning, and she was busy in observing her dawn prayer in her place of worship. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back in the forenoon, and she was still sitting there. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to her, "Have you been in the same seat since I left you?" She said, "Yes." After that, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I recited 4 words 3 times after I left you, and if these are to be weighed against what you have recited since morning, these would outweigh them. And these words are Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, adada khalqihi, wa rida nafsihi, wa zinata arshihi, wa midada kalimatihi. Glory is to Allah and praise is to Him, according to the number of His creation, and according to the pleasure of His self, and according to the weight of His throne, and according to the ink used in recording words for His praise." Sahih Muslim.